Want to start watch repair like a pro? Let's look at essential tools every beginner needs. First, a cutting mat. It protects your table and provides a stable, non-slip surface for all precision work. It's the base for safely handling tiny pieces and tools. This keeps your parts safe and your work clean. No watch repair begins without good screwdrivers. A precision set like this one gives you the right sizes to remove casebacks, bridges, and small screws. Hardened alloy steel shafts, swivel head handles, and compact case. Perfect for delicate mechanical work. Tweezers help you grip tiny screws, springs, and gears without slipping or scratching. Having multiple tip types makes handling different pieces so much easier. Anti-magnetic and fine-tip tweezers are ideal for watch parts. A scribe tool helps you mark alignment lines or reference points, crucial for micro-mechanical work. This is especially helpful when you're positioning parts or planning adjustments. Workspace, precision handling, and exact marking. Master these basics and you'll be ready to take on watch repair like a beginner with confidence. Start small, stay precise.